Hey, I'm Erica with WCI, and we recently remodeled our bathroom and was looking for a really sleek modern design faucet that could go with our sink. And we found that with Hoimpro. This gorgeous faucet comes in a matte black finish that really looks polished and sleek. And I love the clean lines that really give this faucet its modern look. And one of the coolest features of this faucet is the waterfall design. It did not complicate the install process at all, and it flows really nicely. It also features a push button drain that is very easy to engage. And once you're finished with the drain, you simply push it to open it and it drains quickly with a nice flow. So if you're looking for a faucet to fit in with your sleek, modern home design, look no further than Hoimpro. They have beautiful faucets that will really elevate your bathroom. And that's my point of view.